Okay, we're going to continue talking about how to prepare an import file. This time, how to prepare one from an D2L export to Excel, or maybe, for instance, from a USA Test Prep file. So the easiest, because USA Test Prep files don't use the org defined ID, you will need to use a drop-in tool to get the org defined ID matched up to the student ID, but you guys are already pros at that. So how do you get the export to Excel file to look like the export to CSV file, which is gonna be for your import? I'll show you in just a second. 2 easy steps. At the end of your data, you're gonna go ahead and type end dash of dash line indicator, and you're gonna populate a hashtag or pound sign, either one, and you can double click right on that little green box and it will fill the column. Then you're going to want to insert 2 clean rows. Oh, let's see, I don't want you to have that there. Let's go back to no fill. All right, you're going to insert 2 clean rows. Wow, I did it again. Nice row. Be nice to me. Thank you. This row is going to be for your org defined ID. And this one is going to be for your username. You're going to be using a particular format to get that done. And it is the command called concatenate, which is right here, and all that means is you're going to put a text string together. So if you remember, the file just had, the other file had a hashtag in front of the org defined ID, so we're going to do that. We put the hashtag in quotation marks because it's cellularly defined, and there we go. So look at that formula. It's concatenate pound sign A2. And again, if you double click on that little green box, it'll populate the entire row. I'm going to do the exact same thing. The username is first name, then last name. First name dot last name. So it will be the exact same thing. I'm going to show you the formula, and then I'm going to turn this off so you can't see the kiddos' names. So you have pound sign, then first name, comma, put the period also in quotation marks, followed by comma, and then last name. And that is the formula you are going to use. Quickly change that name so it wouldn't be a real kid. And look, you have pound johnny.dough. From your formula. So go ahead and copy your formula, and again you would just double click here on that to populate the whole thing. This is the part that can be a little tricky, so you don't need all this other stuff over here anymore. You're just gonna copy this, and I'm just gonna copy the first line, because that's all we did. You're gonna copy this and paste it in a new document, and you're going to paste it as values because you don't need the formulas, but you still need that information. So now you have an import ready file that you want to definitely save as a CSV, a comma separated values, a comma delimited file. And then you're ready to upload.